Hi, it's really nice to finally meet you in person, and I'm glad we could take the time to come here and talk together today.
Hello, it's very nice to meet you too, and I was really looking forward to this meeting because I wanted to get to know you better.
I arrived early because I wanted to make sure I don't keep you waiting, and I also wanted to choose a nice place where we can talk comfortably and enjoy our time together.
I'm really sorry I'm a little late, but I'm glad to finally meet you here, and I hope we can have a wonderful conversation together without any pressure.
It's really nice to finally meet you in person after all our conversations online, and I feel happy that we can talk face to face today.
Yes, I feel the same way, and I'm really excited to spend time with you and learn more about you in a relaxed and friendly environment.
This place looks very beautiful and calm, and I think it is the perfect environment for us to sit, relax, and have a meaningful conversation together.
I agree, the atmosphere is really nice, and it makes me feel comfortable and happy to spend time here with you today.
Now that we are sitting here, I would really like to know more about you, your daily life, and what you enjoy doing the most.
That sounds great. I would love to share my experiences with you and also learn about your life as well in detail.
How was your day today, and did you face any challenges or interesting moments before coming here to meet me?
My day was quite busy, but overall it was good, and I managed to finish everything I needed to do before coming here.
Take your time to look at the menu carefully, because there are many delicious options that we can choose together for a nice dining experience.
Thank you, everything looks really delicious, and I think this place has a great variety of meals that we can enjoy together.
I recommend trying the pasta here because it is very popular, and many people say it has an amazing taste and quality.
That sounds like a great idea, and I trust your recommendation, so I would love to try the pasta today.
We would like to order the pasta and also some drinks, please, and thank you for your service and support.
Yes, and I would also like a fresh juice, something refreshing that goes well with the meal.
While we are waiting, I would love to learn more about your hobbies and what you usually enjoy doing in your free time.
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and learning new things that help me grow personally and professionally.
That is very interesting, and it shows that you are a very creative and thoughtful person with many valuable skills.
Thank you, and I also believe that learning new skills is very important for improving our future opportunities and success.
The food looks amazing, and I can already tell that this is going to be a wonderful and delicious experience for both of us.
Yes, it looks very delicious, and I am excited to finally taste it after waiting for so long.
This food tastes even better than I expected, and I am really enjoying this moment with you right now.
I completely agree, the taste is excellent, and this is one of the best meals I have had in a long time.
It's really nice to share a good laugh like this, because it makes the conversation feel natural and enjoyable.
Yes, I feel very comfortable talking with you, and I think we have a great connection already.
I believe that meaningful conversations like this help people understand each other better and build strong relationships.
I agree, because good communication is very important for creating trust and long-lasting connections.
Time is passing very quickly, and I really did not expect our conversation to be this enjoyable and meaningful.
I feel the same way, because when you are having a good conversation, time always seems to fly very fast.
Excuse me, could we please have the bill when you are available, and thank you for the wonderful service.
Thank you, this has been a very pleasant and enjoyable dining experience from beginning to end.
It was my pleasure to pay today, because I truly enjoyed this time with you.
Thank you so much, that is very kind of you, and I appreciate it a lot.
I really enjoyed spending this time with you, and I hope we can meet again very soon.
Me too, I had a wonderful time and I would love to see you again.
Walking out together like this makes me feel that this meeting was truly special and meaningful.
Yes, I feel happy and comfortable, and I think today was a very successful meeting.
Goodbye for now. I truly enjoyed every moment we spent together today, and I hope we will meet again very soon to continue our conversation.
Goodbye, take care of yourself, and I also hope to see you again because this was a really special and meaningful time for me.